Philadelphia cheese, the original recipe. This recipe 99% exactly like what you buy from supermarket. All the tracks, 2 kilo of milk, minimum 520 gram of Philadelphia cheese. Let's do it the original recipe with little bit of tracks and you have exactly American cheese. What we need, stainless steel, very important, 2 liter of fresh milk, full fat. Very important to use full fat milk, 2 liter. And then we added 1 big spoon of sugar and little bit or half a spoon of salt. Very important, these tracks. And salt. So 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of salt. You have to stir all the time. I wanted 46 degree. 46 degree is very important. If you don't have thermometer, I need it little bit warm, not boiling, not hot, just a little bit warm. 46 degree, I remove from the stove. You have 2 ways to use. You can see why I stir, because I need the whole milk exactly the same temperature. If I leave it without stir, bottom of the milk will be hot. You can add it 1 spoon. White vinegar, and then you wait, and then you added a little bit vinegar. So maximum 3 spoons of white vinegar. It will curdle. When it's curdle, you strain as you see. You squeeze very good and you keep it in the fridge 3-4 hours. And the water, you can use it for baking any kind of bread or you put in the cereal. And then I have 80 grams of fresh whipping cream. This is the tracks to have exactly the same Philadelphia which you are bringing from supermarket. Here we go. You put the curdle in RoboCup or kitchen process. Use mixing to be soft. Then you added whipping fresh cream. This exactly as what you buy from supermarket. We added the Philadelphia, the whipping fresh cream, 80 grams. You mix it and then you can add it plain. You can add it some herbs. You can add it garlic. You can use it for breakfast, any herbs or spicy you want. If you want it plain, this is the plain one. You can use it for cheesecake. You can use it for many recipe. And the rest of the taste is exactly like what you buy from the supermarket. I hope you like my recipe. Please, if you like it, share it with your friend. Leave comment for us. If you shy, make like for the video. Philadelphia cream exactly from the source in America. As I always say, don't work harder, just work smarter. Everything you want, you will find in my channel, Sugar Emperor. Please have a look about dairy product, bread art, chocolate and bonbon, sugar art. You can see how smooth, exactly like what you